Hey, hello and welcome. David here with Yojimbo Security Ninja. Today we're going to talk about Sparrow's Comb 45. Nice play of words on the Colt 45. So you get, if you notice, the bottom one's a little bit shorter and thinner than the top. Same thing with the fours over here. So I have an issue with these combs. I don't particularly like them. When they work great. And let me show you a demo. Two standard master lock number 3s. Just ordinary off the shelf master locks. Pop that in there and ta-da! Very quick, very easy, very nice for this master lock. For this master lock, it's a bit of a different story. So now it barely fits in there. I just can't get it into position. Everything I do, tried it again there, has failed. If you look close enough, oh damn, camera's not focusing. But you can kind of see that I left some brass behind on here. So maybe you need to sand it down, whatever, get it to work. I personally don't like that because I could probably just grab there's a Sandman, also from Sparrows. Much easier, much less pain and headaches than these combs. Again, it depends on what you're using it for. I've only found this comb to be useful. I have a lot of locks, and this is really all I can get open is these master lock number 3s, and I can only get one of them with them. So it's up to you. You decide, make a decision. Once they work like nothing I've ever had. It's so easy, so beautiful. I'm actually making one. An old saw blade, obviously. It's gonna right about there. It's gonna need another cut and finish putting teeth in there. So combs are useful. Depends on your lock. So hope that helps. Talk to you guys later.